So things are always in motion in the bakery. We don't just stand still and wait for one thing to happen. Jared here is shaping the 9-grain that you earlier saw folded. And notice for the 9-grain, he's treating it somewhat harshly. It's going to be put in a loaf pan, a sandwich bread in other words. So we don't want any big air bubbles in it. You wouldn't want your sandwich meats or tomato to fall through it. So he's really getting it decompressed and shaping it for the loaf pans. These loaves are going to be put in a bread loaf pan, and they're going to proof another 55 minutes to an hour and 5 minutes. There's some leeway. When are they done? Basically, the rule of thumb for all breads is when they pretty much double in bulk, or that when you press them with your hand, they bounce back most of the way slowly. If you press and the dough collapses, you've got it overproofed. The bread will kind of fall down in baking. And if it bounces back completely, very quickly, it's underproofed and it won't have enough volume.